Tired of feeling stuck in your current situation? Do you dream of reaching new heights, but struggle to know where to begin? Well, this video is your answer. By the end of it, you'll not only gain a clear understanding of what holds you back, but you'll also learn powerful strategies to overcome those obstacles. Isn't that amazing? Now, before we get into the 7 things you should stop doing, let's start by asking ourselves a few important questions. How many times have you found yourself procrastinating? Or maybe you've experienced self-doubt that stops you from taking action. Don't worry, we've got your back. Imagine being in the top 1% of wealth holders. Sounds great, right? But to get there, there are certain things you might be doing that you need to stop. Today, we're going to discuss these, and I'll give you real-life examples to help you understand better. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Let's get started. Firstly, stop trading time for money. You know, one of the most common ways people earn money is by trading their time for it. You exchange your time and effort for a paycheck. The problem with this approach is that your earning potential becomes limited because you only have a finite number of hours in a day. Think about it. There are only 24 hours in a day. No matter how hard you work, there's a limit to how many hours you can work in a week. It means that there's a limit to how much money you can earn, right? But what if I told you there's another way? A way that doesn't involve trading your time for money. Interested? The key is to find ways to generate income that is not solely dependent on the hours you put in. One way to do this is by creating passive income streams. Passive income is money earned with less direct effort over time. Think about it like a money-making machine that continues to work even when you're not actively involved. Can you think of any examples of passive income? For instance, rental properties is a fantastic example. Once you find tenants, they pay you rent regularly, providing a steady passive income stream. Investing in stocks, especially dividend-paying stocks, is another great source of passive income. Some companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends, allowing you to earn money without actively working for it. These are just a couple of examples, but there are countless ways to create passive income. How can you begin implementing this in your own life? Well, the first step is to start exploring your own interests, talents, and passions. What skills do you have or what activities do you enjoy that could potentially be transformed into a passive income stream? Remember, it's important to start small and gradually build your passive income sources over time. The key is to stop trading time for money and start building income streams that work for you. Our next topic is so fascinating, because it's so prevalent in our society, and I believe it's essential to address it. Stop trying to keep up with others. So, have you ever compared yourself to others? I know what you think, and this is our human nature. It's hard not to, when you see your friends or people you know buying new cars, going on luxurious vacations, or moving into bigger houses, and you often feel the pressure to do the same. Absolutely, I get it. We often feel this pressure to match up, whether it's in our career, relationships, or even material possessions. Think about it. Do you really need that brand new car, or can you still enjoy your current one? Do you need to dine at expensive restaurants every week, or can you enjoy a home-cooked meal? These are the kind of questions we need to ask ourselves. Remember, everyone has the unique journey. It's crucial to focus on personal growth and fulfillment rather than comparing ourselves to others. What are some areas where you tend to compare yourself to others? Perhaps, sometimes you feel like you need to have the latest gadgets or follow the latest fashion trends just to fit in and be seen as successful. It's understandable that you might feel that way, especially with the constant bombardment of media messages. Instead of trying to keep up with the latest trends, focus on investing in things that genuinely bring you joy and align with your goals in life. By doing so, not only will you feel more fulfilled, but you'll also be better equipped to achieve your own personal financial success, just like many self-made millionaires. So, think. What is one thing that brings you joy and aligns with your goals? Let's say, you enjoy writing. This can be such a fulfilling journey, allowing you to express yourself while connecting with others. Instead of comparing yourself to successful authors who might have already published numerous books, focus on improving your writing skills, exploring different genres, and connecting with fellow writers. Embrace your own pace and enjoy the process of growth. You could start by dedicating more time to writing each day and joining a local writing club to connect with other writers. By taking those small steps and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, you'll be amazed at the progress you can make. It's about your own journey, so stay focused and persistent. Our next point is rejection. Ready to explore how adopting a resilient mindset can lead to wealth and success? Great! Let's get the conversation rolling. Rejecting rejection means refusing to let setbacks or negative feedback discourage you. It's about embracing an unwavering belief in yourself and your goals, regardless of any rejection you encounter along the way. Instead of letting a no deter you, you view it as an opportunity for growth and push forward even harder. One famous example is J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. Before her breakthrough, she faced countless rejections from publishers. But she never let those setbacks crush her spirit. Rowling believed in her story and kept submitting it until Bloomsbury Publishing finally accepted it. Today, she's not only a wildly successful author but also one of the richest women in the world. But how can you start adopting this mindset in your own life? Well, start by reframing rejection as an opportunity for growth. Instead of dwelling on the negative, focus on what you can learn from it. Think about areas where you can improve, and use each rejection as motivation to become better. Walt Disney is a perfect example. Did you know that he was once fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination? Imagine if he had allowed that rejection to define him. But Disney was resilient. He went on to create one of the most beloved entertainment empires in the world. This shows us the importance of bouncing back from rejection and staying true to your visions. Embrace rejection as an opportunity, learn from it, and use it as fuel to reach your goals. We're halfway through, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Don't miss out on the remaining 4 things you need to stop doing to be in the top 1%. Trust me, this information will be a game changer for your journey towards success. Number 4 on our list is stop procrastinating. Going down the road, "I'll do it tomorrow," or "I'm just not motivated," can seriously hold you back. And also, procrastination always seems to sneak up on us when we least expect it. I know it's a common challenge for many people, but believe me, overcoming this habit can have a huge impact on your life. Instead, focus on taking immediate action and utilizing effective time management techniques. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. For example, let's say you have a massive project due in a week and it feels overwhelming and you keep delaying it. Eventually, the deadline creeps up, and you find yourself stressed, rushing, and producing subpar work. Instead of tackling it all at once, break it down into smaller milestones. Focus on completing each milestone, one by one. By doing this, you'll feel a sense of progress and accomplishment, which can motivate you to keep going. By overcoming procrastination, you will have enough time to plan, execute, and deliver exceptional results. You'll be amazed at the positive impact it has on your success. Another helpful technique is to identify your most productive hours in a day. Determine when your energy levels are at their peak and schedule the most challenging or important tasks during that time. It's all about finding what works best for you. I encourage you to experiment with different techniques, such as setting clear deadlines, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and finding accountability partners who can keep you on track. Remember, taking action today is the first step toward achieving your dreams. Another thing to stop doing is engaging in negative self-talk. You need to be your biggest supporter, not your harshest critic. Instead of beating yourself up, focus on building your self-confidence and embracing a positive mindset. Let's consider this: when you constantly criticize yourself and doubt your abilities, it creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. You start believing that you're not capable of wealth, which in turn prevents you from taking risks, seizing opportunities, and striving for greatness. On the other hand, when you start reframing your thoughts and nurturing a positive mindset, it transforms your entire outlook on life. Additionally, celebrating small victories along the way is crucial. Recognize and appreciate each step forward you take towards financial prosperity. Picture this: you have an important presentation coming up, but you constantly tell yourself, "I'm terrible at public speaking. I'll screw it up." This negative self-talk affects your confidence and performance. However, by replacing those thoughts with positive affirmations like, "I am prepared, capable, and will rock this presentation," you'll notice a significant change in your overall performance and results. Spend time visualizing yourself in the position you aspire to be in, experiencing the success you desire. Additionally, celebrating small victories along the way is crucial. By acknowledging your progress, you reinforce positive self-talk and build momentum towards greater achievements. Lastly, I encourage you to take immediate action towards your goals. Start today by setting realistic and achievable targets for yourself. Each small milestone you reach will fuel your belief in your own capability and drive you closer to the level of financial success you desire. One of the things you need to stop doing is being a perfectionist. While striving for excellence is great, aiming for perfection can often be paralyzing and prevent you from taking action. Think about it this way. Perfectionism often leads to spending excessive amounts of time on tasks, trying to make them flawless, which can be a major time drain. If you redirect that time and energy towards more fruitful endeavors, it could significantly increase your chances of becoming financially successful. Imagine you have a business idea, but you spend endless amounts of time trying to perfect every single detail before launching it. Meanwhile, your competitors have already entered the market and gained traction. By releasing your product or service at an optimum level and iterating based on feedback, you'll learn, adapt, and ultimately outperform those who get lost in the pursuit of perfection. It's not about being careless, but rather about finding a balance between striving for excellence and taking action without waiting for perfection. It's about recognizing that being perfect isn't always necessary, and that taking calculated risks and continuous improvement can be more valuable in the long run. To begin, try setting specific, achievable goals instead of chasing some unattainable idea of perfection. Breaking down your big goals into smaller milestones will help you maintain momentum and track your progress. Build a network of supportive individuals who share similar mindsets, as surrounding yourself with like-minded people will keep you motivated and accountable. Last but definitely not least, it's crucial to stop neglecting your well-being. You know how crucial it is to take care of yourself, both physically and mentally, right? This leads to increased focus, productivity, and longer-lasting energy throughout the day. By maintaining good health, you're more likely to avoid frequent sickness or burnout, enabling you to work efficiently and seize opportunities that come your way. What you can do: start from prioritizing sleep. Getting enough restorative sleep helps your brain function optimally and boosts your decision-making abilities. Also, incorporate exercise into your routine, even if it's just a short walk or a quick workout session. Exercise releases endorphins, reduces stress, and improves your overall mood. And don't forget to set aside time for relaxation and hobbies that bring you joy. Remember, self-care is not a luxury but an essential investment in your future wealth and well-being. Imagine an individual who consistently overworks, sacrifices sleep, and neglects their personal life. The result? Enhanced focus, energy, and a sustained drive towards success. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can go a long way. That was a whirlwind of valuable information, wasn't it? Now that you know all 7 things you need to stop doing to be in the top 1%, it's time to take action. Start implementing these changes, one step at a time, and watch how your life transforms. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing content. By eliminating these 7 things from your life, you are well on your way to joining the elite 1% and achieving extraordinary success. So, go out there, work hard and dream big. Until next time, stay focused and unstoppable.